Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to reset game progress in Forza Horizon 6. Now starting new game in Forza is really easy. First open File Explorer, after that go inside C drive, then open users folder. Now open public folder, then go to public documents folder. Now select Microsoft Store, then go inside this folder and you'll find Forza Horizon 6 folder. The number might be different in your case. So what we need to do is just delete this folder permanently and your progress will be reset. But if you don't want to delete this folder permanently, then you can just move it somewhere else so that you can restore it later if you want. So I'm just gonna permanently delete it. For that, select it, then press Shift plus delete and accept the permanent deletion and the progress will be deleted. Now you can close the File Explorer and start Forza Horizon 6 and new game will be started in your PC. Hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.